Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So how often have you been out with the people that you're riding with and they said, in order to find all the best stuff, you got to go out and help build? Or in that woods, there's some sick trails. Or have a look at what we've got here. Down here today to help dig a huge berm at the end of a trail here in the south of England with Andy. Let's go speak to Andy.
We used to ride at Pork, and there's been some issues there. We started charging a lot for insurance, and it was a 40-minute drive, and we just wanted something we could do after work. Then we knew about this place for a long time, but it was never really fit for purpose because we had big downhill bikes. Then we were like, well, let's just make the best of what we got. So we started doing this. So, I mean, this has been going on and off through different custodians for like 20 years. But yeah, this has been, we started the jumps patching them up about 4 years ago. I started my trail a year and a half ago, but I think it's only just, actually since I made an Instagram account, since then it's really been getting popular, which is sick because loads is getting done now. Before it was like 4 years of pretty stagnant growth, and now it's boom, new berms, wooden walls, all those stuff.
Do you want more people down here, or is it you trying to keep it sort of secret? But
it's great having people come down here and ride. It's really cool. Everyone's got a really good vibe as long as they take their litter home, don't start fires, just have respect for the place. Then quite happy to have people down here. But yeah, it's the more people know about it, the more
it's going to get trashed.
The more danger there is. But just as long as we kind of instill a good sense of community and good vibes about the place, and it should stay cool.
So how many hours do you think you put in now?
Oh, ask my girlfriend.
You still got a girlfriend?
No. I've got 2 days off a week. I'm down here digging both those days, so at least 8 hours a day. So 16 hours a week, and then on the odd time I get to ride as well. So down here at least 20 hours a week.
So you're proud of the place?
Definitely.
Yeah.
Well, yeah, we're proud of what we've created. I'm my own greatest critic. I mean, this wouldn't look like this if I wasn't my own greatest critic. So yeah, I suppose just keep it cool, keep everyone coming, keep it tidy, and I'll keep building.
Keeping you up at night about the place, because I reckon this takes so much planning. Like,
yeah, I mean, we got to factor in the fact that there's 3 different disciplines right here: BMX, jump bikes, and full sus. So planning stuff that works for everyone. I'd really like to have a real beginner's line, because at the moment it's the table line, but you know, I'd like something that people progress more on, and I'd like some pretty big gnarly stuff as well, just to woe burn coming after you. But it's all just getting hands on spades, isn't it? So it's only 4 of us who really do the whole building. So
you got some young guys here. You reckon there's some guys semi-pro?
That one.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, my money's on him. Yeah, and they're fearless and they bounce and nothing hurts them. Yeah, I fall off and I whinge for a week. Like, sick talent coming up. And when this place was in its heyday 20 years ago, a lot of those guys have left and come back, had kids, and they've come back and brought their kids to ride here, and that's so cool. So So yeah, next generation of riders. I mean, if one of them said that this was their local spot and they were really proud of it or something, and they'd got like pro, I'd be over the moon. I'm all terrified every time I come down around the corner that event just I'll be down here and it'd be flat, or there'd be diggers there or something. But I'm under, again, it's not mine to keep. So if it's gone, I'll just enjoy the time I had. If you're going to make this sport grow and like get successful, because I mean it's even since when I first got a bike, it's just rocketed. I mean, it was quite like a niche, and now it's quite mainstream. I mean got didn't Rachel Atherton win Sportswoman of the Year, I think, or she's at least nominated?
She was nominated, and G was as well.
Yeah, so
Sam Hill won the Australian version.
Yeah. So it's definitely it's going places, and if I can be the sort of spark that helps someone along, then epic.
If you do want to help support your local trails, if you do want to help guys, phone up your local bike shop, speak to people that you know, ask if anybody's going out digging, go and help out, because it really helps out your local community. It really helps out the mountain bike community. Everybody looks out for one another. The trails are only as good as the people that maintain them, and that's usually a very small minority of people that just want everybody to come out and have fun. And that's all it's been today. These guys are here. It's Sunday, it's a beautiful day, and there's some kids down here that are obviously going to be, I think, pro riders in the future, and this is where it all begins. So if you enjoy the channel, hit the like button. Love it if you could subscribe, but in the meantime, get up, get out, and get some air. Cheers.